What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's so late right now. It's like so dark. So I know you said it's looking dark and stuff. We're still riding. Here. Look at his headlights. It's so cute.
Bro made me hurt. I got a
Okay, that wasn't
Band-Aid
not for me.
on accident.
That was definitely not for me.
It was an on accident.
Ready, guys?
Okay, so this. Do it again.
Let's go. Let me wait for you. Guys,
You guys have to make sure there's no cars coming. Yeah. Once.
Whoa, let's go.
You see these skid marks? Hey, yo. I have my headlights. We be good. Your dad texted you K. Q, like, and then he sent you an image.
What? Okay.
Just imagine taping it right here, guys. That'd just be. Yeah, bro's being weird. I think because it's nighttime. Oh, look at that sunset. It's so cool.
We'll be back there for you.
The guy's being weird.
Alright, let me go back, okay?
Why? Can I ride that
I
back?
can do that. Woo! Okay, alright, let's go.
No, can you ride this back? Can you ride this back?
No, come back here. No wheelie. What am I doing better right here?
Can I try?
Yeah, come here. Turn that, put it down. I was doing on this side more. Keep filming. Come on.
Let me try. Okay, you film. Let me try the burnout.
I'm not driving this one back.
I know.
You are. Wait, keep going until smoke comes.
Oh, yeah.
Keep going. Wait, keep going. Oh, why you stop? Starting to smell. That's good. That's good. All right, stop. Stop. I'm gonna bald your tire. I was not even close to getting bald. Oh, I can smell the smoke coming.
Your turn.
The burn?
Yeah.
Oh God.
I'm gonna make my way back. Okay.
I'm ready to stop doing burn after this tire's going.
You have to stay with me. No, stay with me. I'm doing no hands. No hands. We're just riding. our way. Okay, we're going up his driveway. His driveway takes like a minute to get up. Stop flinging dirt.
Let's go. So,
Yeah. For the rest of the night. Hey, why? That dog almost peed in that. Come on. What?
somebody on the porch. Do you guys want to take turns in that?
On this?
Yeah. In my yard? Yo, let me get a turn on this boy. Watch out.
You have to back this thing
I
up.
know. Alright, guys, you guys about to see the best wheelie ever.
Guys, I'm gonna end it.
No.
Can you film? I don't want to.
Wait, just one time. Ready, guys? Oh, yeah.
This guy's doing the best wheelie.
Alright, let me see it.
Watch me do this wheelie.
Alright, guys, we're going to end it off here. Bye.